Okay, so in this little sound library, we're going to focus on the close vowels. Now the close vowels are I, U, and oo. Good. So we're going to start with the E. Now E is like smiling. E. You're closing your mouth and showing your teeth and producing a sound. E. Like in bead, eat, teeth. Good. Now, I is kind of like the same sound, but it's not as long. So here you say I, like sit, bit. Now O in good, good, or push, or pull, O, O. Here you have to exaggerate the form of your lips. O, good, push, pull, good. Now oo, as in food. This time, think of someone telling gossip. Gossiping about that one girl in class. And all the girls are sitting there and saying, ooh, food. Good. Okay. So these are all the sounds in the close vowel family. So E as in eat, I as in sit, O as in good, and oo as in food.